Hi, we meet in this airport again. What's your name?
Barry Bing. And yours?
Angelina. What is wrong with the Republicans? Congressman Ryan just came out with a budget that pushes Granny off a cliff. Don't they have any heart?
Angelina, isn't Granny's entire Social Security held in Treasury bonds?
Yes, Social Security taxes are invested in Treasury bonds.
Well, then Granny needs a balanced budget if the Democrats are planning on paying her back. Paul Ryan's plan is a balanced budget, isn't it?
Barry, why do we need a balanced budget to pay Granny back?
Granny's needs her Social Security checks every month, right? If we don't balance the budget, then we need to keep borrowing from Granny and everyone else to keep on spending beyond our means. For Granny to spend her Social Security, Obama has got to stop spending it.
Okay, but Ryan's cuts are incredibly heartless.
Heartless is stiffing Granny and leaving her penniless. Ryan's cuts are simply the first step. The next step is for Harry Reid to come up with the Senate's version of a balanced budget. After that, they can work out a compromise in a joint session.
Obama would never stiff Granny.
Wait, Obama threatened to cut off Social Security checks during the debt ceiling debate. Are you saying Obama lied?
Okay, I guess he might stiff Granny, but it wouldn't be his fault. He needed to borrow the money to pay her and the Republicans wouldn't let him.
Angelina, Obama has given Granny's Social Security money to the banksters on Wall Street, his friends at Solyndra, and dozens of other donors. When push comes to shove, do you honestly expect him to pay Granny back?
I guess not. He has never created a successful budget since he became president. It doesn't look like he has any intention of paying anybody back on his watch.
Well, then we need to pressure the Democrats to at least come up with a plan before China and Japan figure out that he plans to stuff them. China and Japan would crash our economy by not lending to us.
Barry, couldn't we raise taxes to pay off Granny?
Angelina, the feds could confiscate every dime every corporation and individual made this year and still not pay off the debt. We need a long-range plan that gives China and Japan confidence that we will pay off our debt. That would include a balanced budget amendment and about $1 trillion in cuts.
$1 trillion in cuts. With news like this, I need to find a different airport.